Hey everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm making a homemade veggie bouillon powder mix that's super versatile and really delicious. The exact recipe is going to be linked along with the video, but because I did a terrible job of showing all the ingredients on camera, I'll go ahead and let you know what's in this recipe. The first ingredient is nutritional yeast, which, if you don't know what this is, it's not brewer's yeast that's used for making bread. These usually come in the form of flakes, but can also come in a powder form, and I feel it just really adds a savory flavor to dishes, and it's really common in vegan and plant-based cooking. I buy this in bulk at my local health food store, but you can also get it at your local grocery store. You might just have to ask an associate where to find it, because it can be tricky to find. I also added garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and then you did see that I showed you the mushroom powder. Please omit this and add extra nutritional yeast if you have family members like I do that are very allergic to mushrooms, or else you'll be trying to make a delicious plant-based meal for your family and they will all get sick and never want to eat plant-based meals ever again, and we don't want that. Also, mushroom powder can be pretty expensive and difficult to find, so if you're having trouble finding it, I ordered mine online, but it's completely optional. It just adds a depth of flavor that I can't seem to get using any other ingredients. So I've also added some dried parsley flakes, dried thyme, poultry seasoning, a dash of cayenne, and don't worry, this won't make it spicy for any of you that are sensitive to spice. Celery salt, turmeric, sea salt, and coconut sugar. Then I just go ahead and mix everything together in my food processor, and that's it, folks. Um, a simple recipe that makes about a cup and a half of homemade veggie bouillon powder. You can use about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per cup of water, depending on how strong you want the flavor. I prefer 1 tablespoon myself. So why do I make my own? Well, I'm honestly not a huge fan of a lot of the veggie broths on the market, and even the ones that are low in sodium still don't have much of a flavor, and I find myself having to season it anyways and add extra salt. Most of them are heavy on the carrot, onion, celery flavor, which is fine, but there just isn't much depth to it. This is a much healthier and cheaper option, and it's just super convenient to have on hand if I don't have veggie broth available. So if you try this out, let me know what you think, and stay tuned because I will also be making another video using this veggie bouillon powder to make a plant-based chickpea pot pie soup. I apologize about the poor video quality. I didn't realize until I was done that the camera wasn't centered on, well, anything. So I apologize that you couldn't see everything going on, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you at the next video.